Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. This is your evening space, a time to let go, soften, and drift into deep rest. The thoughts and intentions you bring to your mind before sleep can stay with you through the night, shaping your dreams, your rest, and the way you wake in the morning. By repeating gentle affirmations, you're allowing positive beliefs to settle deep into your subconscious, supporting healing and renewal as you sleep. And when practiced nightly, this becomes more than just a routine. It becomes a powerful signal to your mind and body that you are safe, you are worthy, and you are ready to rest. Now, make yourself comfortable in bed. Close your eyes and allow your body to sink into the mattress. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale calm and ease. Exhale all the tension of the day. One more time. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully, letting your shoulders, your face, your whole body soften. Now let your breath return to its natural, gentle rhythm. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just rest here. As you continue breathing softly, let these affirmations flow through you. You don't need to repeat them aloud. Just allow the words to settle in your heart as if they are being absorbed with every breath. I am safe. I am calm. I let go of the day. I release all worries. My body is heavy and relaxed. My breath is steady and soothing. My mind is clear and quiet. I allow myself to rest. I deserve deep and peaceful sleep. I am grateful for this day. I welcome tomorrow with ease. I am loved. I am enough. With each breath, feel yourself drifting deeper into rest. Your body knows how to relax. Your mind knows how to let go. You're safe. You're loved. You are enough. Let these affirmations stay with you as you drift into peaceful, healing sleep. Good night.